Hello and welcome to Toys Unlocked, where we have no impulse control. As you can see, I have purchased the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar because I loved my Harry Potter one so much. Am I ashamed? Well, no, not even a little bit. On the front of the box, we can see the girls, some animals, and some elves engaging in all kinds of Christmas activities that we can't do right now because there's a pandemic going on. And then oh my gosh, is that a hamster with a pretzel? Suddenly, I feel like nothing else matters. There's a hamster with a pretzel in the set. I turned the box over and discovered that the hamster with the pretzel is on this side as well. And when we move down, you can see the hamster with the pretzel again. And of course, there's Emma, who is probably the minifigure we get with this set, and then 3 mystery minifigures. I have some guesses about who they might be, but none of them excite me as much as this tiny little hamster. Why does it have a pretzel? Let's get a closer look. I have so many questions right now. So many. When you let down the outer flap, you can see the background is this kind of pink fuchsia color with simple designs, and the floor appears to be sewing supplies, and are those Christmas trees? Piles of green frosting? I have no earthly idea, but it's very strange. Okay, enough poking around the outside. I am ready to open this up and see day one, and it's Emma, just as I suspected. Emma's one true Christmas wish was to be put together, so we're going to grant that for her, but first we're going to take a look at her pants and these purple snow boots or socks. And then on the back, she has pants pockets. Oh my goodness, my work pants don't even have these back pockets. That's amazing, Emma. You go. Okay, her shirt has the same light blue color with a print on it, and there's a moon, which makes me suspect that these are actually pajamas. But if they're pajamas, why does she have pajama pockets on the back? And why is she wearing snow boots? This doesn't make a ton of sense to me, but it's a very, very cute outfit. Her face looks happy, and I think that means we can't tell her that she's not supposed to wear snow boots with pajama pants because we don't want to upset her. But there she is in her entirety. She looks wonderful. I love her hair. And of course, to take care of her hair, she has to have this hairbrush. I'm terrible at putting little fiddly pieces into their hands, but I actually got that first try. I'm very proud of myself. So that's day one. We have Emma and her hairbrush and snow boots and pajama pants with pockets. And in fact, she's so tired that her pajamas are the perfect outfit right now. We'll let her go to sleep. Thank you for joining me today for day one. Be sure to check in tomorrow for day 2 to see what's in store. Good night, Emma.